Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you where we mount our full-size spare. This is in the trunk of the Ridgeline, and as you see, it's got a space saver spare in here, but you can't fit the full-size in here like the older Ridgelines you could. The new Ridgelines you cannot. So we're going to show you where we mount that. It goes into the bed against the cab. I'm going to slide this tray out and get the stuff that I need to mount it with, and I'll show you how it goes. To get this tray out is simple. There's a couple of bolts, one here and one over here. You just get those out. And then slide the tray out. Okay, so I got the tire slid out. The first thing we're going to need to do is find the cup. There's a little cup I need to center the tire in the bed. So basically we're going to take this out, and this little cup I will need to go into the bore of the wheel to keep the tire in place. Just put this back in here. This will hold the tire down and in place, and we'll put it all back together, and then I'll show you how we mount it to the bed. So now we're in the bed. There's this full-size spare we're putting into the bed. They equipped it with this little grommet hole here we need to pop out. There should be a threaded piece in the wall of the truck back there. We got these all thread things here to slide to thread in here because the factory one is not long enough to accommodate the shell lip with the spare tire. So we got to thread this in here. There's a little bit of paint on there, so I got to kind of work it in there. I'll show you when I get it in there. Okay, I went ahead and put the spare tire in place. It's not really 100% centered because these tires are a little bigger than what came with it stock, but it's in there nice and tight. We just need to get this cup now that we took out of the other part. We just kind of flex up the thing a little bit here. Got a little washer we put on there, and the nut that came with the all thread. And then we tighten it down to keep it in place. That way we've got the spare tire is nice and tight, not going to go anywhere. And we have a full-size spare tire, which I think all trucks should have a spare tire. Full-size, not the puny little space saver they give you. Because just what if it happens while you're hauling something? But that's very simple, very easy. Honda did accommodate for a full-size, even if it takes up part of the bed. But that's how we mount it. Thanks for watching.